This prompt analyzes any website and generates a full AEO and SEO report in seconds. You just paste your URL and it basically builds a web page with all fixes and recommendations. Because search is changing fast, SEO or search engine optimization helps you rank on Google. AEO stands for Answer Engine Optimization and helps AI search tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity pick your website as the answer. Framer even released a free AEO checker and it blew up on X. Everyone was talking about it. But it only gives you rating. It doesn't tell you how to fix anything. So I built a prompt for Claude and tool that gives you actual fixes, recommendations, and code to implement them. Let me show you exactly how it works step by step in this video. Hi, my name is Sergey and welcome to my channel. Here I talk about Figma, Framer, AI design tools, and vibe coding. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already to learn more, and don't forget to like this video if you like it. And now let's get to Claude. So let's go back to AEO report from Framer for a second. And just to check it out, we can see that there are like 4 sections. The one is for findable, then quotable, understandable, and trustworthy. So basically they check your website for all of these things, and there are some recommendations that you need to have on your website. For example, like HTTPS is enabled, you have robots.txt, sitemap. Well, if you use Framer, these things are done automatically by Framer. But if you, for example, use WordPress, you need to add all of these things manually. You can use plugins or you can do it manually through like a file manager. Framer basically gives this rating and it sums up all the things. I'm not sure how it checks it and how it determines the score, but you can get the 100% here if everything is done correctly on your website. So basically this is the website for my studio, and I'll just run it again so you will see that that it's true. Everything is cool with it, with our website. So as you can see, we're getting 100 out of 100. This is the perfect score for my studio's website. You can check it out yourself. It's totally free. Just go to framer.com/AEO and just paste in our website there. And if you need any help with your website, we'll be happy to help you. Follow the link to my studio's website in the description below and book a free consultation with us. So let's go back to the prompt that I was talking to you about earlier, and this is going to be our prompt. Actually, we're building a tool that will be live, I guess, soon, and you'll be able to just paste in your URL and get all this information and the reports there. But for now, you can use the prompt. So the prompt that I used, as you can see here, I have my own website, the studio's website, but in the prompt you need to paste your URL here, and then there's like the output format that we're saying to do. So basically there's going to be a web page with some styles, and the important thing is that you can use this prompt or this app for any website, so not only Framer. So it can be Framer, Webflow, WordPress, etc. So it doesn't matter what it is. And what it does, basically, it searches and fetches all the pages at first. So it looks at the sitemap, and then it looks at all the H1s, H2s, basically all the headings for all the pages, and checks them. Then it checks the titles for the pages. So we're talking about SEO titles like meta title, meta description, all that stuff. So meta description is the third part. And then, very important, the structured data. This is super important for AEO because this is the schema that robot, basically AI agent, looks at and understand what's the page is about. So for business we use organization, and for person we use person. Structured data, and actually this is very complicated to do manually. You can use online services to generate those structured data JSONs, and for Framer you actually need to paste it through using the code in the header. So this is some manual work, but the main problem and the main pain is to generate this structured data. And this prompt will actually give you all the code that you just need to paste in, and that's it. So for Framer, you will need to use JSON-LD, and for WordPress, it's used Yoast SEO, and for Webflow, there are some other options for that, also pasting the code in the header. Also, it checks the open graph and social tags, content structure. It looks at how the website is mapped, all the links, if they're okay, if you have the broken links and all that stuff. And very important, the seventh level is the AI crawlability and findable checks. So it looks at the HTTPS, the robots, that looks that AI agents can actually read your website, that it's not closed from the agents. And then again, sitemap, canonical tags. Then it looks for LLMS.txt file, and this is the file actually specially built for AI agents that explains what this website is about. So this is very important. It has the description, the links. It's sort of like sitemap with information from meta description and some of the structured data. So it's like a special file that you need to have in your root folder of your website. So this is very important. This is like new stuff that we didn't have before, like before the AI. So this is actually the new thing. So basically this is it. Some scoring again. I used the scoring from the Framer as a reference. And there are some notes in this prompt, how it's going to look. All right. So what do you need to do? You need to just paste here your website URL, copy this prompt, go to your Claude, open a new chat and paste in the prompt and just run it. So you don't need to do anything else. So I already did it. And as you can see, it did some work already. So we see that it found 8 key pages and understood that it's the website is made on Framer. It counted different scores for high issues, medium issues, low issues, and passes. So there are some issues that we have, but again, as you saw, we are getting 100 out of 100 using Framer. But this thing gives you more deep analysis than Framer's AEO checker. So, and this is how it looks. So I can open it in Safari now. So I just click in Safari, or let me show you how it looks here in the code. So basically this is the code. So it built a web page. And this is how it looks. So this is like a landing page. I can open it in Safari, and this is how it's going to look. And as you can see, there is a website, and it shows like all the issues here on top, and explains what's going on here, and the table of contents. So we can like even go to different sections. So this is basically like a landing page that we built, and it shows like different key pages. Currently, we can see that there are like, 6 of them. But of course, you can ask Claude to run one more time and add other pages. You can update the prompt if you need and add different things in it as well. But here we can see that it analyzed all the H1s and understood what's going on there. And then it gives some recommendations of what we need to do, how we should upgrade, or what can be done to improve the SEO for the website and the AEO, of course. So this is pretty cool. Here we have the page titles. So here we had H1s, and this is the meta titles here with some recommendations. Then we have meta descriptions for these services, and as you can see, it gives some statuses that it failed. This one is too long, so we can see that it's 187 characters over 160. So we need to update it, and also it found an typo in the word here. So this is pretty cool, right? So we need to update it. This was done especially for this demonstration, so we can see like different warnings and stuff like that. And this was the structured data that I was talking to you about. This is very important. Over here, as you can see, we are getting all the JSON-LD. We just need to copy this. Just copy it like this and go to our Framer website. I can show it to you right now. So this is the Framer website. This is our studio's website, and I just need to go to settings. I need to go to code, and here I need to find I need to create a new code, or I can just, I already have it. So I go here and I just paste in the code over here, right? And I paste it to the home page, a start of head, and run on every page visits for the service pages. So it gave me the real code that I just need to copy and paste into my website. If you're using WordPress, you can do it manually in the code of your template. Some of the open graph and social text, as you can see, we had some OG description missing here. The titles are good. Some recommendations, content structure. We can see that we have some things that can be fixed, so this is pretty cool. And this is for the AI crawlability. We pass all the fetch URL serve over HTTPS. The rest is fine. So it has the sitemap XML, canonical tag serve passed, and also we have the LLMS.txt ready on the website again. And if you don't have it, it will generate you the text that you just need to copy, create this text in your code editor or just any notepad and save it as LLMS.txt. And you need to go to Framer. You go back over here, you click on your website, you go to files, and you need to add this file over here just for the AI agents. And then content freshness, it checks it, and then it gives you like the plan, what you need to do, what are the priorities, the high priorities, medium priorities, and low, and stuff like that. So this is really powerful thing you can use for your clients and for yourself as well. So if you're interested, you can get it in the description below. Just follow the link there, and I hope it will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like it. And if you want to learn more about Figma, vibe coding, and AI tools, or need some help of setting them up, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more, and like the video if you like it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.